Don't throw the puppy. Don't throw the puppy.
God, you want to catch the puppy. He wants to catch the puppy. Oh, look. So cute.
So cute.
There's the mama.
I want the puppy. Stop it, Coco. That tickles.
We're watching Coraline.
Not very successfully, though. We're not paying attention to it.
Coco's a very protective mother.
You have something on your mouth. I'll do a trick.
Do a trick. Fly, puppy, fly. You doing the robot there? Come here, come here. Puppies. We should do your fortune next. We were doing fortune, Terragars there. You ready to do your fortune? I bet you're gonna be a great dad someday. Not try to eat your puppies like Buster. Just kidding. Buster's scared of them. The poor father is scared of his own puppies.
Did this puppy get a name?
This puppy hasn't got a name. I named him Carlos at one time. Then he went away. So sad. They named him something stupid, which I do not remember. But we will name him. Think of a name.
Zeus.
Zeus.
It's the first thing that came to me.
Yeah, what name was Zeus from now on? Ow, you're scratching me, woman. Ow, puppy. Ah, puppy, puppy, puppy. You're scratching me. Let's hear.
Don't throw the puppy. No throwing the puppy.
What are you talking about? I'm not throwing the puppy. I saw it. Okay. It flew! Did you see it?
Puppy.
Puppy! Zeus! Zeusy! Zeusy! Zeusy, come here. Come here, baby. Zeusy! Look! Like father. Or like...
Like mother, like son?
Yes.
How about that one? Come here, Coco. Coco.
So good. There you go. You got it. Good puppy. Good puppy. Look into the camera. Say,
Zeus. Zoom in on puppy.
oh, you're warm.
Zoom in on puppy.
Headman finds with your tail. Ow, what are you